This tutorial introduces 3 additional optative verbs. They are
能、可以、
and.
会。
As an optative verb,
能
has several meanings. It can mean can, indicating one's ability to do something.
能
Can also be used to express whether one can do something depending on external circumstances.
能
Is also used to mean may, indicating permission. Generally speaking, the negative form of
能
is.
不能。
The exception to this is that when referring to inability,
不会。
is used. The optative verb
可以。
is very similar to
能可以。
expresses either one's innate ability to do something or one's ability to do something depending on external circumstances. In this usage,
可以
and
能
are generally interchangeable. The negative form for
可以
is
不能。 可以
is also used to indicate permission. When indicating permission,
可以
is used more often than.
能
The negative form in this usage is
不可以。
meaning not allowed or not permitted. The optative verb
会
has 2 distinctive meanings. One of the meanings of
会
is to know how to. In this usage,
会
is used specifically for acquired or learned skills. This example illustrates the difference between
会
and.
能
In the sentence,
会
indicates that the person knows how to cook Chinese food, while
不能
refers to the person's inability to cook because of external circumstances.
会
Can also be used to mean something will happen or is likely to happen. The negative form of
会
is
不会。